Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your project and locating the project key in the LCD header so you know what you're changing from. Once done, select the track you want to alter. If it's audio, switch to the editor at the bottom, and if it's MIDI, open the piano roll. Make sure smart controls are visible so you can reach transpose and region parameters quickly. This first step establishes context. Why you change the key affects pitch and timing, so identify the target key now. Now you do the core work. For MIDI tracks, select the regions, open the region inspector and set transpose in semitones. This preserves timing while shifting pitch. For recorded audio, enable flex pitch in the editor, then adjust region pitch or use the track inspector's pitch shifter plugin for better quality. Flex maintains formant tracking. Make sure to preview sections as you nudge semitones because larger shifts may need formant correction or finish by listening to the whole arrangement and exporting a bounce of the changed key to test in context. If something sounds unnatural, you likely pushed audio too far. Reduce the semitone change, enable formant preservation, or apply a dedicated pitch correction tool for vocals. Once satisfied, update chord charts and MIDI FX to the new key and check harmonies. Manual edits to notes or automation may be required. Tip: if you hear digital artifacts, revert, try smaller shifts, or use higher quality pitch plugins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.